Hello and welcome to another tutorial from GR Academy. In this video we will learn about the well-known index match formula and how to implement it in Excel. So what we have over here is a sample of database where we have the member number and the corresponding member name. Also we have the amount of fees paid for the membership by these members. What we want is to view the information in this format where we can choose the member number and also select whether to view the fees paid or the member name. Let's see how we can achieve that by using the index match function. In order to achieve our goal, we first need to understand the index function. Here I have made a table with 9 rows and 9 columns. For easy understanding, the value in each cell is the corresponding row and column number of the cell. For example, row number 9 and column 8 should give you the value 98. Similarly, row number 6 and column 7 should give you the value 67, and so on. The index function works in a similar fashion. Given the row and column number of the table, the index function provides the value at that location. In this scenario, we want the value at row number 3 and column number 2. So we will input the index function as index, provide the array or the table where our answer is, the row number, which is cell N8, and the column number, which is cell N9. We expect the value to be 32, and we are getting the correct value. Let's change the row number to 7 and column to 8, and the value should be 78. So our index function is working correctly. Next, let us understand how the match function works. The match function finds the relative position of the value in the array. That is, match function will find the location of the lookup value in the given array. For the demonstration, I have two arrays over here, a numeric vertical array and a horizontal string array. Now I would like to find the position of number 68 in the numeric array. For that, I will use the match function. So for the match function, I need to provide the lookup value, which is 68, the lookup array, which is the numeric array, and the value 0 because we want to find the exact match. We see that the match function says that the lookup value 68 is found in the 4th position of the array, which is right. Note that number 68 also occurs in the 10th position of the array, but the match function only provided the first number it encountered. Now we want to find the position of Tom in the string array. So for that we'll use the match function as match, provide the lookup value, the lookup array is the string array, and match type again to be 0. We see that Tom is in position number 3 or column number 3 of the string array. Note that the match function is not case sensitive. That is, whether Tom is in upper or lower case, match function will still work. Now we can come back to our original problem where we have the member number, and depending on the column we select, we should get the corresponding answer. To get that, we will use the index function in conjunction with the match function. If you recall, the index function takes the array, the row, and the column number. So we'll start writing the index function as index, provide the array, which are these two columns. For the row number, what we want is when we change the member number over here, the row number should correspondingly change. So we can use the match function as match. The lookup value would be the member number. The lookup array should be the member number column, and the match type 0. Now for the column number, what we want is when we change cell E10 from member name to fees paid, the corresponding column should change. So we can write the column number as match. The lookup value would be cell E10. The lookup array would be these two column headings, and the match type 0 again. So now we can check whether our index match function is working correctly or not. So for member number AA101, member name should be Mike, which we can see is correct. And if I change member name to fees paid, it should change to 100. That is right. Let's try and change the member number to AA103, and we can see the fees paid should be 225, which is correct. That means our index function is working fine. Thanks for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed it.